I'm Lily Tyson with AlkalineNationUSA.com, and I'm passionate about what I do. In these videos, my goal is to educate you on how to become more alkaline and how to spread the message of true health. Our products will help you influence people around you. To receive tips on how to become more alkaline and help others, please subscribe below and you'll become part of our Alkaline Nation. Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use your cleaning kit so that you can maximize all of the waters from your SD501. The first water that we will make is the Shine water, which is the 4.5 pH. And when you have your machine on the 9.5 setting,
Kangen Water 9.5.
The 9.5 water comes out from the top hose, and the 4.5 water comes out from this hose right here. And this is the water that we're going to use for cleaning. This water is really great for creating a streak-free shine, and that's why we call it Shine water.
Well, what was there before? What was that on there?
It's no telling. Our little 10-month-old could have been, you know, in the middle of the night and we're feeding him or getting his bottle ready. He could be touching it.
Wow, it looks shiny.
It really does. Wow.
So that we're
once
using
it dries, like the streak-free, and it looks really like spot-free.
chemical-free cleaning.
I love it.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Isn't that great? And that was like a $4 or $5 stainless steel cleaner. It's $4 or $5 a pot.
Wow.
They would love it.
So when you give us a referral, we'll come over and clean their house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Wow.
That's great.
The 4.5 Shine water will replace any glass cleaner. It will shine any surface really well. And the Strong Acid water will replace your bleach, your alcohol. You can use it as an antibacterial, as a disinfectant, first aid. It won't burn on your skin or even in your eye if you have an eye infection. And it's great for disinfecting, odor eliminating, and great mouthwash. You can rinse your mouth with this water for a few seconds and then rinse out the acid with the Strong 11.5 or the 9.5 so that you don't keep the acid in your mouth for too long. And the 11.5 is great for cleaning. It's a degreaser. It will remove pesticides off of your vegetables. It's an amazing makeup remover and a stain remover. It will clean your laundry amazingly well. And obviously also you can brush your teeth with it as well. And you'll be amazed what comes off your teeth when you brush it with 11.5. So these are the three amazing waters that add tons of value to your SD501. The next two waters I'm going to show you how to make is the Strong Acidic water of 2.5 pH for sanitation and the Strong Alkaline water of 11.5 for cleaning. And what you do is you press the 2.5 on your machine.
Strong Acidic water.
And the Strong Acid is going to come out of the bottom hose.
Strong Acidic water.
And the Strong Alkaline water is going to come out of the top hose. If you ever forget which water is which, you can just smell the Strong Acid water is going to smell like chloride, and the Strong Alkaline water is going to have a soapy feel to it. It's a degreaser, and this is a disinfectant. And this is actually safe enough that you can use it as a mouthwash. You can put it in your eye if you have an eye infection. You can put it on your wounds. This is a great degreaser. It will remove any kind of oily substances, especially pesticides from fruits and vegetables. So these are awesome waters to use for everyday use to clean your entire house and remove all the chemicals from your home. What's great is that between these three waters, you can remove all the chemicals from your home and clean your entire house with just water. And in the back, we have the 11.5, a gallon of 11.5, so that you can store it and you can use it for washing your fruits and vegetables because you're going to use large amounts of this water. And another gallon that we have here in the back is the beauty water. So let me show you how to make the beauty water. So after you have collected your 2.5 and 11.5, you can put it on the beauty water. And just turn the water on for a few seconds. About 15 seconds, it's going to clean itself. You don't want to leave the 2.5 on your plates for too long. So the water will run through the machine and clean itself. And then we'll come back to the beauty water setting in a few seconds. And the reason why we use the beauty water gallon jug is because if you have a lot of plants in your house, if you have pets, this is a great water for your personal hygiene.
Beauty water.
See, now we'll come back to the beauty water setting. This is another water that people use a lot of because of the personal hygiene and skincare. It's an astringent, a toner, a moisturizer. It's great for rinsing your hair. It will make it soft and shiny. It's a great aftershave, and also great for pets. The same thing as for human hair, their fur will be shinier and silkier as well. It's great for plants because it replicates the pH of raindrops. Rain is slightly acidic, and it helps to emulsify the minerals in the soil so the plants grow a lot better. Some people have asked me, why do I put the 2.5 water in a smaller container when the 2.5 and 11.5 are made at the same time? Why not use the 2-gallon jugs to collect them both? And the reason why is because the 2.5 water doesn't get used as much, and also it doesn't last very long. If you're using it as a sanitizer, you have to make sure that it smells like chloride for it to disinfect. If it loses that smell, then it's not disinfecting anymore. And probably a good thing to do is to smell it before you start cleaning, and to make fresh water every couple of days or at least once a week. However, if you do need a lot of the 2.5, if you need to soak your feet or use it in large quantities, maybe for washing your clothes, then we do have the 2.5 gallon jugs sold separately. With your cleaning kit, you will get a total of 7 bottles, and they come with these waterproof labels that describe all of the uses so you never forget what to use these waters for. And the industrial sprayers are really great. They will last you a very long time. With your kit, you also get these 2 beautiful glass bottles that you can use for beauty water to spray in your face as a moisturizer and a quick pick-me-up. It will help you to stay awake if you're tired, and will moisturize your eyes and your face and help the wrinkles not to set in because your skin will be well hydrated. Or you can also use one of these bottles for 2.5 as a disinfectant and a hand sanitizer. So this concludes our quick tutorial on how to use this cleaning kit to maximize your machine. And you're also going to receive a separate sheet with more detailed explanation on how to use all of the waters so you don't forget. And we'll look forward to seeing you again soon.